Let's go, guys. Hey everyone, it's Comics Hero. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you my latest addition, the Panji Black Suit Superman. The picture on the back is so awesome, guys. Look at this sculpt. The details are insane, from the facial expression to the textures on the suit. It really brings Superman to life in this black suit. Check out this wired cape, so dynamic and perfect for action poses. And the articulation, super flexible, so you can create tons of epic poses. Honestly, if you're a Snyder fan, this is a must-have for your collection. Now look at this. My boy Henry really comes to life with this sculpt, man. And check this out. This wired cape fabric is so good. You can still do the flowing cape like this. And you can pose it like this and this. It's really good. Now we're going to swap its head to his alternate head, the angry one. I mean, look at this. Wow, this looks phenomenal. We gotta pose it like this. This looks so awesome. The Justice League Snyder Cut Superman is here. It looks like a mini Hot Toys but with a good articulation. Here's a quick comparison for this black suit Superman next to the David Cornsweet one. The angry face, the neutral face, the height comparison, the flight pose of Henry, and David Cornsweet. This looks awesome, guys. This is a must-have for your collections. And then Henry going to Spear! What a spear! So that's my Panji Black Suit Superman. Let me know in the comments which video you want to see next, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.